Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lelesdesigns. Today, I will show you how to make this easy and quick miniature couch for any dollhouse. This couch fits perfectly in the LOL portable dollhouse I made in my prior video. If you have not seen that video yet, you should go check it out and download the free pattern to it. It's the perfect size house for the LOL surprise doll or any doll under 6 inches. I'll list that link down below in the description. The size for the couch is 3 3/4 inch wide, 2 inches high, and 1.5 inches deep. You want to go ahead and print my free pattern down below in the description. When you print my pattern, you are agreeing to using it for personal use only and not commercial. Cut out the pattern, then cut out your foam. I'm using foam that has a sticky backing. If you don't have foam that has sticky backing, you could still do the same process. You will just be applying hot glue to the back of it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my video, be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell. This way, you'll be notified when my next video comes out. And please share my video on your social media. This way, I can continue to offer free patterns. Thank you. Bye-bye.